Search ad will appear when people actively search for any type of product and service on Google. Let's suppose a person search for t-shirt, best t-shirt, t-shirt shop near me. Then there is a high chance that Google will place your ad in front of this potential customer. As this person is already a hot audience, there is a high probability that you will get a conversion from this person. So in this video, I will show you how you can run search ad for your business and service step by step. If you want more sale, lead, then this will help you a lot. So without further ado, let's jump to my screen. First, log in on your Google ad account and click on create. Okay, now select campaign. You can also select new campaign from here. I will click on this new campaign. Google will ask you to select an ad objective. Now I will select sales. As an e-commerce business, I will select search for search campaign. Here you have to give the link of your website. As I am running for practice purpose, I will leave this empty. I will click on continue. Here from conversion goals, you have to select purchase. If conversion tracking is not set up, you can do it later. Now name your campaign. Turn on enhanced conversions. It helps to track conversion more accurately. Agree and continue. As it is new account, I will select clicks for bidding strategy. Later you can switch conversion or maximize conversion value. I will leave it like that. Okay, I will click on next. You will find out search partner network and display network. It is usually recommended to turn both of them off. This way your ads will appear only on Google search result. Now from location section, select the location. Then click on this location option and select presence, people in or regularly in your included locations. Otherwise your ads may show in another countries. Now select the language. I will keep it English. European Union political ads. No, this campaign does not have European Union political ads. Now audience segments. Instead of targeting, select observation mode here. This allows Google to collect data without restricting your reach. Here from this section, you can select your audience, suppose age group, parents, homeowner, interest categories and other. I will select some interest. Now more settings. In ad rotation, Google will prefer the best performing ads. Here you can select start date and end date. You can schedule your ad. You can give a campaign URL option. I will keep everything like this. Now I will click on next. Now skip automated option. Sometimes Google suggests automatic campaign setting. It is usually better to skip them so you can maintain full control of your campaign. Click on next. Keyword and asset generation. You have to give the final URL of your product. I will skip now. I will give a name of my ad group. It's toothpaste and enter some keyword here. Example of broad match like toothpaste for gum, best toothpaste, gum disease toothpaste. Example exact match are best toothpaste for gingivitis and others. Add final URL. Here you have to add your final landing page URL. This is a display URL path that appears in the ad. I have given a name. It is only shown in the advertisement. Now write headlines. In Google Search Ad, you can add up to 50 headlines. You can also use keyword insertion. This allows the searched keyword to appear in your ad headline. Now write description. You can add up to 4 descriptions. Now add asset. Assets are very important because they make your ad larger and more visible. First add side links like customer review, our story, mouthwash, best sellers. Then add call out extension. For example, dentist approved, free shipping, clinically tested. You can also add other extensions such as phone number, price or promotions. Now click on next. Now I will add another ad group for my mouthwash. Click on next. Now you have to set your budget. Average CPC multiplied by 10. Let's suppose if the CPC is $5, then the budget should be around $50 per day. Now click on next. Finally, review all the settings. If everything looks correct, click Publish Campaign. Your campaign will then go live.